Hi landlords, and welcome to our FAQ Friday. If you're new here, my name is Makayla. I post things all property management every Wednesday and every Friday. So today's question actually came from one of our subscribers. Thank you, Rachel, for submitting your question to us. So Rachel asked me, what are the best amenities that attract quality tenants? I composed the list of 5 amenities that I believe will attract you the best quality tenant. Now some of these I will just list off, and a few others I will provide a little bit more detail as to probably why they're important. So the first one being closet organizer. It's just a nice perk to have in your rental property that would definitely be attractive to quality tenants. The next one would be a washer and dryer. So before, it usually never was a problem or a downfall if the unit did not include a washer and dryer. However, the market has changed and tenants have changed, and now a lot of tenants are used to that amenity being included. So you will actually hurt yourself if you don't include a washer and dryer in your rental property. So the third one is going to be paint. So first off, making sure that there's new paint in the property, as well as ensuring that everything looks nice. So now, what is attractive to the quality tenants? So usually for attracting quality tenants, white or off-whites were good enough and neutral enough to make sure that we attract those quality tenants, gave that a nice, crisp, clean look to your property. However, now we're seeing a shift into more neutral, earthy tones, the soft grays, the tan, the beiges. Those are actually a lot more neutral and a lot more attractive to current tenants that are looking, as well as those quality tenants that will be looking for properties. The fourth one is going to be window coverings. So window coverings, blinds, you want to ensure that you install blinds in your property, window coverings. Tenants just expect to come with a property, and if it doesn't, it will hurt you as far as tenants are concerned, and especially those quality tenants, as well as it will increase your days on market. So window coverings. Also, you want to make sure that when you purchase window coverings that you purchase durable window coverings. Keep in mind, tenants are always going to be harder on your property than you were. And now the final and last amenity that comes with attracting a quality tenant would be a great experience. So tenants want to stay long-term and appreciate a landlord who appreciates their property and also values their tenants. So providing a great experience with them will make them want to stay long-term, will make them possibly refer other quality tenants to you, and in turn will definitely take care of your property. All right, landlords, so to conclude all of that into one compiled list, remember the 5 things to attract a quality tenant are going to be closet organizers, washer and dryer, paint, window coverings, and a great experience. If you have all 5 of these things, you are definitely most likely to attract a quality tenant your way. All right, landlords, remember, my name's Makayla. I post videos every What's What Wednesday and FAQ Friday. If you have any questions that you would like me to address on this channel right here or to you directly, feel free to go ahead and click on the link below. And one more shout out to our subscriber Rachel, who submitted our FAQ Friday question for today. My name's Makayla, providing you with a higher standard in property management.